goodness! I didn't see you anywhere, Busby.
Well, I have a knack for finding things that go missing. I just seem to know where to look. Can we get a bag of chips on the way home?
It's 10 o'clock in the morning then. You only had your breakfast an hour ago.
Well, maybe a bag of crisps then. I have a taste for potty toes.
Potty what? You're getting stranger by the day.
You'll know who this is. Yo, I'm Walter Raleigh. I'm the mayor of Yule. Yule sailed around the world and I've been having a ball. I like to talk a lot about my fight with the Spanish.
Don't say nothing about the spuds that vanished.
Queen Lizzo's my girl, yeah? I chilled a lot with her. She liked my work so much that she made me a sir. But trouble came down when I got hitched on the slide.
I told you before that you were just my guy.
After that, you know, things got a little sour. She sent me off to London and she put me in a tower. But doing time was easy and I shouldn't like to gloat. But just a few months later, I was back on my boat.
He tried to find El Dorado, but he just wasn't able.
That's probably because it is just a fable. Still, I found some grub. Check it out, the humble spud. I brought it back to Cork and I covered it in mud. You can mash them, you can fry them, you can have them as roasties.
Or a handful of chips with your ham and cheese toasties.
Tasty or what?
Yeah, totally